Alright everybody, time for a small update. This is the box that it came in. I got approached by a company called Inov and they sent me a product to test this here. I already installed it. I didn't make any installation videos, you can find it online. It's super straightforward installation, plus minus live wire. You set the radar in and I glued here the small LEDs. And what the radar is, a blind spot monitoring for motorcycles. Whenever there is a car or a bike in my blind spot, I will see the flashing lights in front. This is the box that it came in. It can monitor up to 64 targets. It has 150 degrees field of view. It's super precise, of course, waterproof, dust proof and shock proof, everything, mainly everything proof. We will do a test ride of it and then we will see how it behaves in the live traffic. So this will be a little bit of review and test video, and I'm super grateful that Inov recognized my YouTube channel as a rising one and somebody who is bringing a value to other riders. And I'm super happy that they are working on solutions which are concerned about our safety. This is definitely something that's helping a lot with the safety while riding. I had some situations, not on this bike but before, where I would literally turn into the car. It would be hidden and I wouldn't see it here next to me, so I would just literally turn into it. And so far I didn't have any big accidents or anything, but I had a couple of almosts. The device itself can do audio and video signal. I mean visual, not video. It's displayed here, and this is definitely a button where you can switch on or off the audio warning as well. I already turned off the audio because I don't think that I will be able to hear it because the device itself is under my seat. Yeah, we will see during the ride. These two will blink depending on which side is somebody in my blind spot. And that's about it. So we will see how this actually works in practice. I can only advise everybody to buy it who can afford it. I think it's like 250 euros, US dollars, whatever the currency is that you are looking at. It's super easy to mount. Good thing is that once you buy it, it can be fitted to any bike. Although I think that newer bikes will come with it by default. I mean, not exactly this system, but a system that has a blind spot monitoring. So I think that once you buy it and you have it, it should last for all the bikes that you have, not just the bike that you buy it for. And you can always sell it later on if you don't need it, so that should be super fine. Let me see if this will do. Yeah, it's blinking because there was a van next to me, so it was having a red light on. Yep, car behind me, I don't see it, but the thingy sees it.